We're out here in Brooklyn, New York in Blizzard 2016 shooting. There's my wife. There's our model that you can barely see. Shooting some fashion photos quickly for our portfolio. There's like 15 inches of snow on the ground.
Hi!
My photographer wife.
I'm frozen.
Our awesome camera. She's trying to work.
Turn your head back a little bit. Look at that. Look at over here.
This is what happens when you're really cold. Yes.
I know you have it in you!
I look like I have a big pot belly. It's because of all the clothes I have.
Yeah.
Alright, it's currently the day after. Jonas made us way through Brooklyn here, and I think we got somewhere between 25 and 30 inches of snow. So we're just finishing up sledding and having some fun out here in the snow. It's about knee deep over here. I'm just walking home. Rachel went home already, and we are gonna watch some football. I got a lot of awesome clips sledding, so you guys can just watch that right now.